A very good morning to all my dear students. So today we will start exercise 1.1. As already we have discussed integers and their properties. So now we will start exercise 1.1. Okay, now can you see this question number 1? Okay, now question number 1 is following number line shows the temperature in degrees Celsius at different places on a particular day. So in one day, the temperature of these places, how many places are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now number 1 is Lahore Spiti, then Srinagar, Shimla, Ooty and Bangalore. Okay, now we have to find the temperature of these places. So we will move from here. Okay, now this is 25, this is 24, this is 23 and this is 22. So temperature of Bangalore is 22 degree Celsius. You can use your pencil to write these temperature. Now Ooty. This is what? 10. This will be 11, 12, 13, 14. So the temperature of Ooty is 14 degree Celsius. Now the temperature of Shimla. You can see this is 5. So the temperature of Shimla is 5 degree Celsius. Now the temperature of Srinagar. You can see this is 0. From 0, the right hand side, the values are positive integers. Left hand values are negative integers. Now this is 0. This will be -1. This will be -2. So the temperature of Srinagar will be what? -2 degree Celsius. Now this one. This is -5. This will be -4, this is -5, this is -6, -7, -8. So this is -8 degree Celsius. Now we will plot these values, mark these values also, so it will be easy for you all to understand. So I will mark these values also. Now we got the degree of all these places. We have to write these degrees, the places with their degrees. Okay. Now question number A is asking, observe this number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. So we have to observe this number line and we have to write these places along with their temperature. Okay. So I have already prepared this. So we will simply write the temperature of these places. So the temperature of Lahore Spiti is what? -8 degrees Celsius. So we will write -8 degrees Celsius. Then temperature of Srinagar is what? -2 degrees Celsius. So we will write -2 degrees Celsius. Then temperature of Shimla is what? 5 degrees Celsius. So we will write the temperature of Shimla 5 degrees Celsius. Temperature of Ooty is what? 14 degrees Celsius. So we will write temperature of Ooty is equals to 14 degree Celsius. Then temperature of Bangalore is 22 degrees Celsius. So we'll write the temperature of Bangalore as 22 degrees Celsius. I hope you all have understood this part. Okay, now the B part of question number 1 is, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? So from the given number line, we have to find the temperature of the hottest place as well as the coldest place. And then we have to find the difference. It means we have to subtract the temperature of hottest place from the coldest place. Okay, now from this we'll come to know that the temperature of the hottest place will be what? Bangalore will be the hottest place. Okay, because it is having the maximum temperature, and the coldest will be Lahore Spiti as it has the lowest temperature. Students, okay. Now we have to write the temperature of the hottest place, that is Bangalore. So the temperature is 22 degrees Celsius and the temperature of the coldest place is Lahore Spiti, and it is having minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now what we have to find out? Now we know the temperature of the hottest place as well as the coldest place. We have to find the difference. Now remember students one thing, that when we are subtracting, always we will write the greater value first, then the smaller value just after it. Okay, now we have to do the subtraction also. So from these two values, I think 22 degrees Celsius is the greatest value. So we will write 22 degrees Celsius. We have to find the difference, right? So what we will going to do, we will write minus. Now the coldest place temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius, as it is having the value in minus sign, so we will put in bracket. Okay, now we will solve this. So this is 22 degrees Celsius. Now student, minus into minus will be what? Plus. This is 8 degrees Celsius. Now 22, it's a positive number because it is not having any sign, and if a number is not having any sign, it means it's a positive number. I hope you all remember this. So plus means plus. So 22 plus 8 will be what? 30 degrees Celsius. So the temperature difference between the hottest and coldest place is what? 30 degree Celsius. I hope you all have understood this question. Then question number C of question number 1 is, what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar? Firstly, you will write the temperature of Lahore Spiti and Srinagar, then again you have to do subtraction. Okay. Now student, we have to write the temperature of Lahore Spiti and temperature of Srinagar. Now see this number line. So the temperature of Lahore Spiti is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Okay. And temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. We will write the temperature of Lahore Spiti, that is minus 8 degrees Celsius, and temperature of Srinagar is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Student, just remember one thing, when we are moving in negative integers, okay, so among these two, which is a greater value, minus 2 or minus 8? The smaller value will always be a greater number. So minus 2, and in minus 8, the greater value is minus 2 degrees Celsius when we are moving in negative integers. Okay, and minus 8 degrees Celsius will be smaller as compared to Srinagar. In positive numbers, 8 will be a greater value and 2 is a smaller value. But when we are moving in negative integers, the smaller value will be a greater number and the greater number will be a smaller value. I hope you all have understood this. Now, before also I told you all that when we are doing subtraction, firstly we will write the greater value, subtraction sign, and then write the smaller value. Now just now we have discussed among these minus 2 degrees Celsius is a greater value. So we will write minus 2 degrees Celsius, minus sign, bracket, minus 8 degrees Celsius. I hope you all have understood, because here they have mentioned what is the temperature difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar. So you must be thinking that we have to write the temperature of Lahore Spiti first, then Srinagar. But I hope you all have understood that why I have arranged the numbers like this. Okay. Now this is minus 2 degrees Celsius. Minus will be what? Plus 8 degrees Celsius. Now plus minus will be what? Minus. So 8 minus 2 will be what? 6. Now in 2 and 8, which is a greater number? 8 is a greater number. It is having positive sign in front of it. So this will be plus 6 degrees Celsius. I hope you all know that plus 6 degrees Celsius we can write as 6 degrees Celsius also, because there is no need of writing plus sign. Okay, but if they are having negative sign in front of it, we have to write that. I hope you all have understood this also. So the temperature Difference between Lahore Spiti and Srinagar is what? 6 degrees Celsius.